So now let's prove the theorem that m vectors in Rn are linearly dependent if and only if there's a non-trivial relation C1v1 plus CmVm is 0. First of all, assume that v1 to vm are linearly dependent. That means that if we line up the vectors v1, v2 to vm, that there is a redundant one. So suppose this is vector I, then for this vector I, vi, we can express vi in terms of the other vectors v1, v2 until vi minus 1. So there are constants or scalars c1, c2, etc. until ci minus 1, such that vi can be expressed as a linear combination of those. For some values of c1 to ci minus 1. Then what we do is in this equation we put vi to the other side. If we do this, then we get the original expression plus minus 1 times vi now equals the 0 vector. Well, now we have here a very special non-zero, non-trivial linear relation, because c1, v1, etc. plus ci minus 1, vi minus 1 plus minus 1 times vi, so here is the non-zero element, and we can add the other vectors I plus 1 by just using zero scalars. So this gives rise to the 0 vector, and we have a non-trivial relation. Due to the minus 1, which is non-zero. So the other way around, suppose we have a non-trivial relation c1 v1 plus cm vm. Then there are non-zero elements, so there are non-zero scalars. So let ci be the constant with highest index, that is non-zero. Then we know that ci plus 1, ci plus 2 until cm are 0. So we may write c1 v1 plus c2 v2 until ci vi plus 0 times, the ci plus 1 equals 0, vi plus 1 plus 0 times vm equals a 0 vector. Now divide all constants, all scalars by ci. Ci is non-zero, so we can divide by ci. Then we obtain the following expression. Basically cj divided by ci, and the scalar for vi is now the 1. So vi, if we put the other terms on the other side of the equation, we get vi equaling minus c1 divided by ci v1 minus c2 divided by ci v2, etc. minus ci minus 1 divided by ci vi minus 1. So this shows that actually vi is a redundant vector, because we are able to express it in terms of a linear combination of the vectors v1 until vi minus 1. So this means that v1 until vm are linearly dependent.